Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Mollison, Manchester visiting Mr. Granville again. Alright,
everything blessed.
To say thanks to everyone who would have made it possible for us to be able to revisit him again and to take items to him. Hi, good morning. Yeah man, cool. Okay, so not too long ago, saw Mr. Granville down by the road there. He said he went to charge his radio. It's a solar radio, so ask somebody to charge it up for him. So he came up just a little before us.
Yeah.
So we're here now. Woo. Mr. Granville.
I'm glad you're coming up. One of things is quite long. And it's ready like Uncle Freddy.
I'm ready.
Yes, I want bread. The lady give it to her. I want mackerel.
Oh, she gave one bread and mackerel. Oh, that lady that you were walking with?
Yes.
Oh, God bless her.
The first time, and she's stranger down here, you know?
Yes.
The first time we saw her run there, and she just said, where you going? Me say, out of the yard, and he called me hand and said she's a nurse.
Oh, yes.
But she work at the we call the home, the nursing home.
Oh, she work at the nursing home?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so you find one nice friend, man.
Yes, man, he's a nice friend. But when the whole of them both here, we take part. One and two, we hold my hand. If they,
yes.
But the majority just take part.
Yes.
They know.
And she carry you come right to your gate. That is so nice.
And she come up here more time because she charge me phone for me too.
Oh.
She charge the phone and she charge the radio.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, where you want that to go? Where you want to hang it up on here?
Hang it up.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes, man, you are welcome.
Mr. Basil.
Yes, sir.
Free bathroom here, sir. Look in there, Miss.
Look in there.
Yes, Mr. I worked yesterday to clean it up.
Fix it?
Oh, you did that clean?
I want the, and then put polish on it. I just.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yes, it
And
look.
it cannot use doing now.
Oh, you
because the bowl, they may take up here and clean it and set it back and they don't put it something where they hold it down.
Oh, but you just clean it out so you can
so if
bathe and
use it now, all the water come out here. I can't even wash out the bowl, but the bowl clean.
Yes.
I throw water in there now, everything come out here.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yes, man. You look good though.
Thank you very much. And you take on the tag.
You know what? Oh! Yeah, sport the tag.
Miss Michelle, Mr. Basil.
Yes,
Happy foundation, man.
Yes.
So looking on the table there, first of all.
Oh, after we can go this year?
Eating to this WhatsApp is on the top.
Oh Lord, Mr. Granville, guys,
and
look.
the other bag with the yam. I will look on something to rub on the face of the yam because when you rub the yam and the face of the yam with the lime,
yes,
it keep as long as ever no.
Oh,
the face of it.
Oh, so this is what in there is the yam and the this is the sour sap in the bag with the bungo.
Right.
Oh.
This was up on the top. It well right and you have to use today.
Yes.
And you protect on it.
Are you sure all of this bungo yesterday?
No, we did share little the
day before.
The day before when we was calling and let me tell you something.
The day before.
When the
Oh, you share a lot.
And yesterday we finished share little balance.
Oh, thank you so much, Mr. Granville. God bless you.
The bag now that ear can go in it.
Yes, yes.
If the ear no when they will grow.
Look how much gungo Mr. Granville sit down and shell. Oh, wow.
Yes, man. And Mr. WhatsApp well right.
Yes, man.
Immediately.
All right.
And the man church went about this.
Oh, you leave your man church for it too?
Yes, he came.
Yes,
Oh.
Mr. Granville, I gave everything to make soap. So not the meat.
Oh, this man here.
I will tell you what is the meat. The meat is the church.
Oh, I started.
Yes. And the WhatsApp is the drinks.
Yes.
And the gungo is the soup.
All right. Look here. This is all yam?
Nah?
This is all yam?
Yes,
Yam
ma'am.
and chocho?
Yam and chocho.
Oh my God.
Different bag at the bottom.
Oh, wow.
So the yam and the top.
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mr. Granville. God bless you.
Yes, ma'am.
We appreciate it a lot.
Yes, man. Oh, God, man. There were nice people trying to me and getting nothing nice. I couldn't make it touch the floor. The bag.
Yes.
No, me say, bag, no, pick up on the floor. I table, pick up on.
Yes. Oh. Oh, wow. So we come bearing gifts for you, but you first us and give us everything. My press, this is up here. So, so Mr. Granville,
Yes.
care some things for you, you know.
Yes.
One whole heap of things.
Yes,
So
yes.
we have 3 anonymous donors.
Yes.
4.
4.
So one person sent us funds and she said, you know, we really need whatever it is that you need,
Yes.
we should get you. So that's why I call and ask you what you have, and you say you're not a saltine.
Yes.
So we get your tin mackerel, your sardines, a number of things in there. You'll see it in a little while.
Yes,
and one donor as well wanted us to buy you some Ensure. That's the drink you love.
Yes, ma'am. And, you know, say, I mean, last night I this man. And last night,
Yes.
me drink the last one.
Oh, really?
The last one. 3 bottles of Dolly, they didn't put in like garbage bag here.
All right, so we bring you some more.
Yes.
So it's in this box.
Yes.
And we bought you some toiletries, you know, your tissue and your bath soap. We got you some rugs, kitchen towel, every little thing that you need. We have in the box.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And then now we have another person who we saw in Mandeville who gave us something to give you. We soon give that to you.
Yes.
All right. And then another lady, she said that because she really called and was gonna send you some funds send us some funds rather to buy groceries for you.
Yes, ma'am.
And then she called back and said, you know, I'm gonna pack a box. So, you know, but then she called again and said she worried about you, wondering how you're doing and if you have anything. So she sent us some funds and she said we must buy KFC for you, make it taste up your mouth.
Yes.
Yes. So see we buy it here.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Yes.
You want to see it here?
Yes, miss. Oh, wow. Yes, Miss Michelle. I can't see this.
Yes, man.
Jesus, think I'm looking good.
That's really full of style. Yes, man. And you drink.
Yes.
And then we brought you some clothes.
Yes.
We brought you some church shirts that, you know, was sent by another donor.
Yes, ma'am.
And a jacket suit as well for church.
Yeah.
And then you have another shoes, and it's the one with the heel that you say you like.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man, and they're your perfect size. So we soon go through all of those things.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Like how we go to church on Sunday, gone.
Yes.
And I wear a shirt, they say, the pastor take a picture with me and him. and another one they call the elder. The elder again is a lady. And he take a picture with him again, for the pastor, with the lady first. Video me and the pastor.
Yes.
And after that, the pastor then put him below me. With the other lady.
Yes.
But me never hug up the pastor, but I make kind of there over me. The first person now.
You hug up the lady.
I hug up the last one.
Yes.
Put my hand on him because he come right inside of me. I make kind of over my shoulder, so he couldn't turn me hand back on me.
Yes.
They said, look at Scotty. Me say, the shoes and the shirt are bleak out. It's a shock out. It's a shock out. They say, it's sharp.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
But the pants now, they kind of catch up here, so.
Oh, it's too tall.
Yeah, but
It's short.
to the shoes tall.
Yeah, it
when it turn up, it cover the
Meet
top.
up. Yes.
Yeah, but, yeah, because the pants kind of like a shortish, but.
At that I style now, you know.
Yeah.
Short pants and socks shoe and everything. You don't know them wear there?
Yes, me know them way they were like young boy.
So your 3/4 trousers and your socks.
Yes, when we was young.
Like you take your water and your measurement in a water.
Right.
Yes.
Yes, me understand you. Yes. Me say, Jesus, God, I feel good.
Yes.
They say they say them a come now.
Yes. Oh wow, it's wonderful though. If you know, say you, so how you get to church?
I want brother will run taxi to Christiana.
Oh.
And he have him on the phone here. So just call him and tell him. Make somebody set it on him, and then Sunday morning, me just press and tell him what time he come to me.
Okay.
And he come.
Oh.
When he come Sunday gone, I was putting on my clothes. By the time he come to me 9:30, but when me I tell him 9:30 and 9 o'clock.
Oh.
So I take half hour to ready, but he come before me ready done. And wait for me.
Okay.
Yes.
But it better early, not true?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh wow.
That.
Yes,
I
man.
say the best life I ever live in me pana bird.
Yes.
I am the stone that the builder. Now I become.
Hey.
Now I become the head of the corner.
Hallelujah.
Even though dead, not throw it away. A whole heap of people they give up on me, but when I'm dead, not throw it away.
You're going good, Mr. Granville. Oh wow. I'm glad to see you like this though. You know, you're happy and everything.
Thanks very much.
Yes.
Michelle and Mr. Granville.
Yes.
Thanks very much.
Yes.
Come on.
You eat eggs?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, because we bring you some eggs.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, man. All right, so that's it. That's it, Mr. Granville.
Hello, Shadi.
Too happy now.
Oh.
Happy man.
Yeah, some gungo me I give you.
I'm good man.
Some gungo me I give you one back him up there.
Oh, it hung up there, so?
Yeah, beside the one that you.
Oh, so you want me to give him
Thank
feel?
you.
Okay.
It work quicker than me.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yeah.
You wish you some fever grass, may I put in there? You need fever grass.
Fever grass.
Oh, you have. Yeah. You can take out the fever grass and throw it away.
Throw it away?
The fever grass. You can dash away fever grass.
It's all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
We have one big root at fever grass.
I know, but I ain't going down there. Yeah.
I'm a little bit. When I come from church, I miss the way from around the corner there, sir. I miss the way and I go wrong direction. He run, come and hold my hand.
Okay.
Because I can't be on the street.
Yes, make you know say you miss your pass.
Yes. But I the first never go to church and walk.
Oh.
Just from around the road there. Because, yes. But some I know that my church did with that I go.
Oh, you just visit there, so.
Give them a little visit.
Yes. Okay. All right.
Yeah, say, you're full of life.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, Mr. That's why they call me Aya.
Aya.
Yes, Aya mean happiness.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Anyway, you hear this song I sing.
Yes.
Aya, a happiness I mean. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, man.
Hello, greetings, Jamaica, and to the world. This is Stafford Granville speaking from Madison, Manchester. I would like to give thanks to all the donors then, each and every one, from the youngest one to the eldest one. I give you thanks, and I beg God to lift you up higher than higher heights. I beg God to bless you, keep and guide you, protect you. Bless every move you make and every breath you take. And I give you each and every one of the donors that we giving you thanks. And I give thanks for Miss Michelle and also Mr. Badwell. I give thanks for them in a special way. And God richly bless each and every one of you. Catch you later.
All right, Mr. Granville. All right, everyone. Mr. Granville said it well. So I'm just extending that to say thanks to everyone, all our donors, everybody who would have donated. We thank you very much. All right, so okay, so thanks to all our viewers, everybody who continue to support us, making your comments, watching us, subscribing also. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye. All right.
Okay. I could sing before.
You want to sing again?
You can't sing again, man.
Yes, you want.
I'm the stone that the builder is here.
Yeah, man.
I am the stone. I am the stone. I am the stone that the builder refused. Now I become the head of the corner. DJ time now. So when you dead, no dash away. So when you dead, no throw away. I miss the whole heap of them give up on me. But when you dead, no dash away. Yeah, I am the stone. Yes, I'm the stone. I am the stone that the builder refused. Now I become. Now I become the head of the corner.
All right. All right, Mr. Granville. You're ready for your studio, I know. You're ready for your studio.
Oh yes, 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 man. We can't think, man. The power church something, but I know what then they sing on it. Me go sing one song.
Oh, okay.
They have the power. I could sing. Maybe that's what they call it. I know CD.
So which one song are you sing?
Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. About she missing in the kind of mixing.
Yes. Oh, you love sing. That's awesome.
So we could hear that one. We could hear that one there.
Oh,
Daniel saw the stone?
Yeah.
Oh,
rolling down to Babylon.
yes, son.
Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone rolling down to Babylon. Daniel saw the stone. White stone. It was a white stone. It was a white stone. Daniel saw the stone.
All right, Mr. Granville, me and you are going to studio. Yeah, man. All right, guys. Blessed love. Stay safe. Bye-bye.